Welcome to this presentation on targeting Helicobacter pylori thymidylate kinase, structural insights and validation of novel inhibitors. This research was conducted by Khushbu Kumari et al. And published in 2nd April 2026. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Imagine dealing with persistent stomach pain, ulcers, or even a higher risk of stomach cancer, all caused by a common bacterium called Helicobacter pylori or H. pylori. This tiny organism infects nearly half the world's population. For years, we've relied on antibiotics to treat these infections. But H. pylori is rapidly developing resistance, making our existing medicines less effective. For instance, resistance to metronidazole, a common antibiotic, is as high as 91% in some regions. This means we urgently need new ways to fight this stubborn infection. To find new treatments, we looked for a crucial enzyme in H. pylori, called thymidylate kinase, or HPTMPK. This enzyme is essential for the bacterium to build its DNA, so blocking it would stop H. pylori from growing. Think of it like a master key maker. We first determined the precise 3D shape of HPTMPK at 2.5 resolution, which is like understanding the exact lock mechanism. Crucially, this HPTMPK lock is quite different from the human version, sharing only 26% similarity. We then virtually screened over 53,000 potential keys from the ChemDiv library, looking for compounds that perfectly fit the HPTMPK lock but not the human one. From our screening, compound F725_0025 emerged as the most promising candidate. We found it strongly inhibits the HPTMPK enzyme with an IC50 or half maximal inhibitory concentration of 84 micromolar. This means it takes a relatively low concentration to block half of the enzyme's activity. Furthermore, F725_0025 showed a strong affinity constant or KD of 10.7 micromolar for HPTMPK, indicating it binds tightly to the target. Most importantly, in actual H. pylori cultures, F725_0025 successfully inhibited bacterial growth with an IC50 of 30.14 micromolar, significantly reducing the number of bacteria. Why is F725_0025 so promising? It's because of the distinct structural differences between H. pylori's thymidylate kinase and our own human version. While both enzymes perform the same function, their active sites, the parts where drugs bind, are quite different. For example, their overall structures have a root mean square deviation, or RMSD, of 3.07, which shows they are quite different. This allows F725_0025 to specifically target HPTMPK, leaving human cells largely unaffected. This specificity is key to developing new drugs with fewer unwanted side effects. Our findings show that F725_0025 is a very promising lead molecule for developing new treatments against H. pylori. By targeting an essential bacterial enzyme that is distinct from its human counterpart, we can create drugs that are both effective and specific. This new approach offers a real opportunity to bypass the growing problem of antibiotic resistance. In the next 1 to 2 years, this research could lead to safer, more effective medications, ultimately improving the daily lives of millions suffering from H. pylori-related stomach issues worldwide.